Wanna get this kind of magazine style skin? Well, today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get this kind of skin smooth, flawless, but full of natural texture. So let's get started. Alright, you can see there are few imperfections here and there, totally normal, but we want to smooth it out without disturbing the skin texture for the professional high-end look. Okay, first copy the layer twice by pressing Command and Z 2 times and convert both of them to smart object. Okay, now hide the top layer and select the middle layer. Then go to the filter, noise and median. And now increase the radius to smooth things out. Okay, I'm going with around 90 pixels for this image. Remember, it totally depends on your photo, so feel free to adjust. So hit OK. And as it is a smart object, you can always come back and change the values later. Now press Shift, Command and N to create a new layer. Set the mode to overlay and check fill with 50% gray. Now hit OK. And then convert it to a smart object 2. Then go to the filter, noise and add noise. And now increase the value carefully and let's go with 16 for this image and choose Gaussian and monochromatic for a natural look. Hit OK. And now go to the filter, blur and select Gaussian blur. And let's increase the radius. And here I'm going with 1.8 pixels and hit OK. Alright, now active the top layer and select the layer 1, copy, then go to the filter, other and high pass. And now crank up the detail. Let's zoom in and increase the radius value here. And I'm going with 4.56, maybe 7 or 8. Okay, it also depends on your photo, so feel free to experiment and hit OK. And now change the blending mode to linear light to bring back those fine details. Now press and hold Command key and select these 3 layers and make them a group by pressing Command and Z. And now double click on the right side of the group layer to bring the layer style. And now come into the underlying layer option, press and hold Option or Alt key and split the sliders. This way you can blend smoothly without harsh lines. Okay, adjust them until the shadows and highlights like eyes, lips and shiny spots come through nicely. Take your time and play with these sliders. And when you are happy, hit OK. And now the last step. Press and hold Option or Alt key and click on the mask icon to create a black mask. And pick a soft white brush and paint over the skin areas like this. Avoid hairs, eyes and be careful around the edges. Now paint carefully like this. Look at the difference. This was the before and this is after. And you can see all the layers are smart objects, so you can change any values. Let's see, I wanna change the details a little, so double click here and let's decrease it to 3 or 4.4 or 5. Okay, now let's see the before and after again. This was the before, look at the difference, and this is after. It looks really good right now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.